Right then, this is a Transformers Custom Deluxe Arcade Control Panel by SHAR-KADE. Now this unit has two official Sanwa sticks, 23 Sanwa buttons with two Xbox 360 controllers, a wireless keyboard and mouse. It also comes with our Wii controller kit. It has DisplayPort out, HDMI out, as well as DVI output. So you can connect it to a big screen TV or you can connect it to your own gaming monitor. This unit has inside it an i3 core processor. It has 16 gig of DDR4 RAM, 256 gig M.2 SSD, and it has a GTX 1050 graphics card. It also has our 8TB Hyperspin setup, and on that M.2 SSD it has a lot of Teknoparrot classics. So it has some really cool games like Transformers, The Fallen Human Alliance, Let's Go Island, Rambo, and a ton more. So like I say, this is one of our 8TB Hyperspin setups. So it comes with over 340 plus custom, 340 plus retro classics and next gen titles like Street Fighter 5, Tekken 7, Mortal Kombat XL, and it has Mortal Kombat 11 on here, and Injustice 2, Dragon Ball Fighter Z, and many more. So on the retro classics, so you've got MAME, you've got Mega Drive, Super Nintendo, Game Boy, stuff like that, which are digital systems that had digital controllers, are all set up with the arcade sticks. Now for analog systems like the PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, PS3, and I believe N64 and maybe Dreamcast, which had analogs on their controllers, them are set up with the Xbox 360 controllers. Now for PC fighting games likes of Tekken 7, Street Fighter 5, Mortal Kombat 11 are all set up with the 8-button layout arcade sticks. So you've got a nice simple enter and exit on the menu systems, on the left pinball button on the side there. So when you enter a system, you can exit quite easily by the left pinball button. On PC games and PC fighters and stuff like that, you've got to exit via the main menu. Now on pinball games, you can't have exit for the left pinball button because you're using that button. So we have one of the coin buttons to exit the pinball systems. Now there is three types of pinball systems on here. There is Future Pinball, I believe it's called, Pinball FX 2 and 3, and Pinball Arcade, I think it's called. Now depending on what pinball system you're playing on, it will vary of what coin button will exit that system. So then, this unit's artwork is absolutely stunning. It's my favourite design I've done yet on the deluxe control panels. This transformer design is really nice looking. The quality is outstanding on it. You've got the Autobots and Decepticon logo in the centre there on that nice custom fan grill. Behind there you've got that nice fan keeping the system nice and cool. And then you've got the RGB LEDs in there, which the sensor is on the back of the unit, so you'll be able to change it from sound activated to just standard static color, or like I like to have it, is fade in and fade out the different colors. Now on the left here we have the Autobots custom dust cover, and then on the right hand side there we have the Decepticons. Really cool looking throughout. Then we've got the Sega Genesis style looking artwork, but it's a nice lighter blue on there, so it stands out a lot more on this unit. And on the front there we have that same checkered design going right the way throughout the unit, and on the side here we have some nice trim, which is actually wrapped in white vinyl, where it is printable vinyl, but I've just left it blank and then wrapped it with the laminate there, so it gives it a whole nice look throughout the machine, because you can get the trim in white, but it's got more of a shine to the trim and it doesn't quite match the artwork on the units. So you've got that on there. This is chrome T molding, but it has got the protective film on there, so that's all ready to peel off when the customer gets it. And that's it really. On the back we have all the different ports. You have an extra 4 USB 3.0 ports. On the side you have 2 US 3.0 ports for the controllers and stuff. So if you wish to set up the Wii controller kit, you can just plug the Wii bar into the back of the unit, sit the Wii bar on top if you wish, or if you don't want to scratch the acrylic on the top, is just place it on a desk in front of the unit itself. And this works extremely well on big screen TVs. I've got a 4K TV at home. I'll leave a link down below of the gameplay of the Street Fighter unit on that big 4K telly. With the 4K, this unit will not run very well in 4K, but it'll run brilliant in 1080p. Turn your resolution down to 1080p and knock your frame rate up. If you've got a new 4K telly, you can usually get higher frame rates, which is, I believe, turn your TV to 120 hertz and you get that nice 120 hertz from your TV, and it just looks absolutely stunning. Like I say, you get a Wii controller kit with this unit. When you've set that up, you get a nice distance from the unit, looking at a big massive screen on your wall. It plays really well just playing them shooting games. Like I say, make sure when you get the unit that you set the resolution in Windows to 1080p, and this unit will game outstandingly. So then, like I say, like, share, subscribe to the videos, hit that notification bell. Let us know what you think of these custom deluxe control panels. I have done a few, so check out my other videos, check out my other builds. I've got some updates as well in another video talking about GPU prices and stuff like that, and some other updates. So make sure you just check out all my other content. And I will leave some links down below to some of the photo content of these units, because my camera's not, the camera doesn't show off the actual artwork very well. So I'm starting to put links into a Reddit page I've created for people just to go there, join the page if you want, and get yourself an eye up on those designs. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later.